What's up, everybody? This is your boy Kerwin Stewart here again today with another exciting video. And on today's video, we are going to talk about the iPhone 17 Pro. I have it right here. Came in today. Today's launch day, which is September the 19th of 2025. And basically, I pre-ordered it. It showed up. I'm excited. I'm happy. And I want to bring you guys along with me to check out this cool new device that's in orange, and it's going to be my driver for the next couple of years. So let's do that. Well, here it is, the iPhone 17 Pro through AT&T FirstNet as a first responder. I basically got this phone for free. I had to trade in the phone that I'm recording on right now, and once I do that, for I think 3 years or 2 years, whatever it may be, I don't really care. I'm gonna get this phone credited monthly for free. And I thought it was like, you know, I'm graduating right now. I'm graduating next week, Friday, from the NCO Academy as a military police officer, or MP actually. And I deserve nice things. And I decided, hey, you know what? This is a nice gift to get, and here I am. So, as you guys can see, this is 256 gigs, AT&T FirstNet. Case, nice picture from the side. Really, really nice. Orange is very, very breathtaking. 256 gigs. Once I pull this tab right here, I can't return this. Well, actually I can, but I'll be subject to a restocking fee. But I'm not returning it. I'm gonna keep it. So what I gotta do is just pull the tab. Here we go. All right. Wow. First time. Here it is. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Nah, Apple's gonna protect the screen, so there's a screen protector. Rip that off because I'm not gonna need that. And this is the phone. It's very, very light. Nice color. Shines. Very, very bright. Let me press the button to turn it on, and should see that classic Apple logo. There we go. Right there. All right. And then after, the next thing is the cable, the charging cable. Now this uses USB-C, so now I'm gonna have to update everything that I use to USB-C. Can no longer use the lightning cable, which is okay. And as you see, it says hello. Hello and welcome. English, United States, default. All right, cool. I'm gonna set that up a little bit later. This is just video just for you guys to open it up with me for the first time and keep that on record, you know. USB-C cable, like I said earlier on. And there's one more thing in the box. What does this say? Does it say anything important? Oh, it just says that you no longer need a physical SIM card. Everything's eSIM, which is the future. eSIM is the future. All right. So other than that, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna set this up, start using it. I'll probably make another video about what my thoughts are on the device. But like I said, my name is Kerwin. On this channel, I like to talk about tech, gaming, and my life in the military. So if you happen to like any of those things, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button and follow me on this journey. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.